A very British take on game day snacks. Part 2.
What's cooking, good looking? What could be more British than cups of tea, spam, parsnips, roast beef, eating mess, cups of tea? So the lovely people over at Traeger UK asked me if I wanted to do my kind of British take on game day snacks. Well, how could I resist? The first thing that came to mind was Shazam, ham, and spam. Just spam. Hey there, dudes and dudettes. Just a quick note to say that up until this very moment, I always assumed that spam was from Britain. It's only just come to my attention that it was invented in Minnesota by the Homo Foods Company in 1937. There I was spending my entire life thinking, you know, Monty Python especially, spam, 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 all that British good stuff. But you know what? I think we can let it slide. Spam is a big part of British culture, so I'm happy if you're happy. Anyway, on with it. Okay, so I've never done this before. I gotta work out how to open her up. I think it's kind of like opening up a beer can. I think I've opened a few of those in my time. Okay, we're looking good. Okay, out she comes. Need a little help from my friends here. Skewer. Okay, so we're gonna cube up this appetizing piece of tinned meat. So I've never done this before, so I'm completely winging it here. I think the best thing to do would be to use our bacon strips as a guidance. That should probably do it. Okay, what we're gonna do is just gently cube this up. I think we'll make probably about 3 little pillars there. Gently slice them. Okay, so this first one's come away a bit and we might be able to save that. Wrap it in bacon. Saved by the bacon. Okay, so we'll probably get another 3 out of that little cubes. I think we're on to something here. Okay, let's just cube them up. And that should work. I think that's gonna work. Okay, we probably get two cubes out of 1 piece of bacon there, so we just cube everything up and we just busk it from there. Get the gloves on. And today we're using the Traeger pork apple and honey rub. I do love this, but this on pork. This will, if the spam doesn't taste too good, this will help save it for sure, along with the bacon and the chili jam. Okay, so let's start assembling. We use our Traeger snippers to cut the bacon in half. I think this is gonna, well, structurally, this is gonna work out for now. I got these little pièce de résistance flags with cocktail sticks that might just smooth things over a little bit later, help them stick together and look a little bit better. But when I do the sausage meat wrapped in bacon, those are always a hit. So that's what was inspired, what inspired this today. I don't think I've ever tasted spam before. Okay, so we're just coming along nicely. We're just gonna repeat the process. 1 cube for 1/2 piece of bacon, slice of bacon. We're using unsmoked bacon rashers, because if you use, well, I did use smoked bacon rashers before. Oh, we got company. Funny he should turn up. So I did use smoked bacon rashers before, as I was saying, but in the Traeger, you gotta get your own smoke on there, so you don't want a heavy smoke. Okay, I think we're looking good. And speaking of smoke, time to fire up the Traeger Ironwood. We're gonna be going at about 135 degrees Celsius today. We don't wanna smoke them too low, we don't wanna smoke them too hard. We're gonna use apple, palm, Okay, while the Traeger's coming up to temperature, we're just gonna put these neatly on display on a little butcher's paper and introduce them to the Traeger. Looking good! And here we go, into the Traeger. Next up, we're just gonna prepare our chili jam, which just means decantering it a little bit so we can just baste up our little cubes of Spam and ham. So this is just from the local supermarket, nothing too fancy, just a chili jam. You can't go wrong with chili jam, people. Okay, we got a little baster. That looks good. I think we can work with that. Time for a little sneak peek. Oh yeah! I think we're ready for a little basting, round one. Oh yeah, a little artiste, like Leonardo DiCaprio or Da Vinci. You know I can never remember which one is which. Both artists though. Hey, Bobby!
Yeah?
What key do cows sing in?
Yeah?
B flat! Okay, a couple hours down, should we have a little sneak peek? I don't know what these taste like though. Okay, so we've been doing these for about just under 2 hours and real low and slow. And we got the little Pierce de Resistance. Viva la Resistance! Fire! Made in China? Okay, we got our little Union flags. If I can work out how to open them. And then we just make pretty. Put the little flags whipping in the same direction. I gotta say, this smells pretty good. We're looking good, we're smelling good. Time to bring them off and try them out. First time I'm ever having the Spam, I think. Damn. Oh man, that's good. Oh, that is good. The Spam is kind of like sausage meat. Oh, I'm going straight in for another one. Yeah, that's good. Shazam. Shazam, ham, and jam. A very British take on the game day snacks. We're gonna serve these up with a little Shazambled eggs, big old mushroom, tomatoes, and of course some more chili peps. Anyway, that's just about all we got time for. Thank you very much for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to say hi, leave a little comment, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, and we'll see you in the next video. Shazam.